Are you fascinated by the magic that unfolds behind the scenes at theaters, concerts, houses of worship, XR, theme parks, corporate events, nightclubs, and more? Do you dream of producing and creating captivating experiences? Plug in with Limelight Wired. Limelight Wired is your gateway to the cutting-edge world of lighting design, programming, and stagecraft, bringing you the latest industry news, gear reviews, programming tutorials, masterclasses, and more. Plug in with Limelight Wired online, on your favorite social platform, or with the Limelight Wired app. But wait, there's more! We now offer online, self-paced courses in lighting design, programming, and stagecraft, optimized for mobile, desktop, and available in our app. Our courses allow you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Whether you are an aspiring lighting designer, programmer, or technician, we have you covered. Visit www.limelightwired.com/learn to learn more, or download the Limelight Wired app and connect on the go.